Hi there. Welcome to Freebird, where we're all about transforming your head shaving experience into something easier, faster, and safer. I'm Tim, and I'm really excited to show you how to get the best shave with your new FlexSeries. Let's kick things off and ensure your first few shaves are as smooth and as comfortable as possible. Now let's dive into the exciting part, unboxing your FlexSeries. Inside the box, you'll find the main shaver device, the heart and soul of your new shaving kit. Then you have our innovative scalp-safe blade. Also included is the precision clipper, which comes with 3 interchangeable guards for customized trimming. We've also packed in a handy nose and ear trimmer. Next, discover the exfoliation brush and scalp scrubber, perfect for keeping your skin healthy and fresh. Finally, you'll find the USB charging cable and the micro cleaning brush. Moving on to the star of the show, the FlexSeries device. We're really proud of this one. It's designed with premium handheld ergonomics, making it super comfortable to hold. Plus, it's fully water resistant, so feel free to shave wet or even in the shower. And with our easy-to-use quick snap adapter, switching between attachments is a breeze. Now let's talk about a crucial part of your kit, the scalp-safe rotary blade. It features a single blade assembly with 5 foil heads, expertly designed to follow the contours of your head. You won't have to worry about making a mess either. The chamber inside neatly collects all the shaved hairs. Cleaning is designed to be quick and straightforward. Simply lift each of the outer head covers and twist the center foil blade to the left to release it. Rinse it quickly under water, twist the center foil back into place, secure the covers, and you're ready to go again. Next up, let's check out the precision clipper. This handy tool comes with 3 different length guards, 3, 5, and 7 millimeters. Perfect for trimming down longer hair before you use the scalp-safe blade, or for maintaining your beard, or even cleaning up things below the waist. And don't forget about the nose and ear trimmer. It's compact, easy to use, and super effective for removing unwanted hair without any pulling or discomfort. Next, let's check out the exfoliation brush and scalp scrubber. These tools are great for your grooming routine, helping to gently remove dead skin and wake up your scalp. Next up, we have the USB charging cable. It works with any standard 5-volt USB adapter. Just plug it into any USB port. Finally, we have the micro cleaning brush. This is super helpful to loosen or sweep away any stuck hairs before rinsing the blade under water, which helps to make sure the blade stays clean and sharp. Now that you've seen what's in the box, let's get your shaver charged up and ready to go. Just connect the USB charging cable right here. You'll notice that the LED indicator lights up. Here's how to read what it's telling you. When you plug it in, the LED will turn solid red, indicating that your shaver is charging. Once it's fully charged, the LED will switch to solid green, showing a 100% charge. If the battery gets low, the LED will start flashing red, signaling that it's time to recharge your device. It only takes about 60 minutes to fully charge your shaver, and that's going to give you up to 60 minutes of shaving time. Now that we've got your FlexSeries all set up and you're familiar with all the components, it's time to dive into how you can get the best possible head shave. Transitioning to an electric shaver like the FlexSeries might take a little adjustment, but don't worry. I'm here to make the transition as smooth as possible for you. It's very standard for your head to need some time to adjust to this new method. Remember, it's completely normal if your first few shaves don't turn out exactly as you expected. Some people, including myself, said that their shaves improved significantly over the first few weeks, so keep at it, and you'll see all of the benefits. If you do find yourself struggling to get the results you want, just reach out to our support team at any time. We love helping people get the best shaves possible, whether you're new to shaving your head or you've been doing it for years. All right, before we get started with the actual shave, let's make sure your hair is ready. If you've let your hair grow out a little bit, say longer than 1/8 of an inch or 3 millimeters, we always recommend giving it a quick trim down to the stubble with the precision hair clipper first. This helps the rotary blade do its thing smoothly without any yanking or pulling. For today's demonstration, I'll be shaving dry, which is my daily routine. And if you prefer to shave in the shower, go right ahead. Our shaver is fully equipped with IPX5 water resistance. Even though I'm already pretty smooth from shaving yesterday, using the FlexSeries every day is how I keep it this sleek and fresh. It's super easy and quick, perfect for maintaining that smooth shave every day. The first thing to keep in mind as you start shaving is to use small circular motion. This technique is crucial because it lets the rotary blade cut hair from different angles, catching every hair regardless of how it grows. What does this mean for you? Fewer passes, reducing any skin irritation, and a smoother shave overall. Now, notice how I'm not just moving the shaver back and forth. That's because using a circular motion helps create a more comprehensive cutting area, catching hairs that might otherwise be missed with straight passes. And remember, don't press too hard. Just let the shaver gently glide over your skin. Light to medium pressure is all you need. The FlexSeries is designed to do the heavy lifting for you. As I shave, if I notice any decrease in performance, maybe due to gel buildup or longer hairs getting caught, I'll show you how easy it is to quickly clean out the blade. It's really simple. Simply lift each of the outer head covers and twist the center blade slightly to the left to release it. Rinse it all out under water, twist the center foil back into place, secure the covers, and you're ready to go again. One of the absolute best features of the FlexSeries is its convenience. It's designed for daily use, making it incredibly easy to maintain that fresh, clean look every single day. Now, if you're not getting as close a shave as you'd like right from the start, don't worry. It often takes a few tries to figure out what works best for your unique skin and hair type. A lot of folks find that a little pre-shave oil enhances the smoothness of their shave. You can rub it directly onto your scalp before starting, or even add a few drops to the running blade for extra glide. Some of us prefer to shave dry like I'm doing now, while others swear by using a gel or oil for that extra layer of lubrication. And yes, thanks to its water-resistant design, you can even bring this shaver into the shower. It's really about finding what feels best for you and experimenting to discover that perfect shave. And just like that, we're done in no time. Smooth and quick, right? Now let's move on to cleaning up and getting everything set for your next shave. It's easy and keeps your FlexSeries in top shape. Open the Easy Lift blade covers. This exposes the blades. Next, turn the center blade counterclockwise to remove it. Grab the micro cleaning brush and gently scrub off any lingering debris from the blades. Rinse the blade under running water to clear away any hair or buildup. Once it's clean, replace the center blade by turning it clockwise and close the blade covers. And that's all there is to it. Just a few simple steps to make sure your shaver is ready for the next smooth shave. Now you might be wondering, how often should I change the blade? Our blades are designed to last up to 50 shaves. For the smoothest and most efficient shave, I recommend swapping your blade every few weeks. If you shave daily like I do, I switch mine out every 4 weeks. But if you shave just a few times a week, changing your blade every 6 to 8 weeks should do the trick. It's really important not to shave with a dull blade. There aren't any specific indicators that a blade has gone dull, but you might notice a drop in performance. That's why we recommend keeping an extra blade on hand or setting up auto delivery so you're never caught off guard. Many of our customers love the convenience and saving of our blade refill program, and here's why it could be a game changer for you too. First off, you receive discounted blades delivered directly to your door on schedule. No need to remember to reorder. We handle everything so you're never without a fresh blade whenever you need one. And remember, it's commitment free. You can skip, change, or cancel at any time. But there's even more to our subscription. When you sign up, your warranty gets an automatic upgrade from 1 year to a lifetime warranty. You also get exclusive discounts on our entire range of products, including pre-shave, post-shave, and scalp treatments that perfectly complement your new shaving routine. If you're after that perfect razor-smooth feel, our pre-shave oil is a game changer. It preps your skin and hair for a closer shave. Plus, experimenting with different shaving methods, dry, with oil, or even in the shower, can help you find out what works best for your skin. It's all about customization and comfort. Remember, while the FlexSeries might feel a bit different than traditional razors, it eliminates common issues like skin irritation, nicks, and cuts. It's designed for efficiency and comfort, which means less time shaving and more time for you. That's the beauty of the FlexSeries. It not only simplifies your daily routine, but enhances it. So, take time to experiment, find your best method, and enjoy the many benefits of your new FlexSeries. We're confident you'll love the results and appreciate the innovation that makes your shave as smooth and hassle-free as possible. If you ever have any questions or need a bit of guidance, don't hesitate to reach out. We love helping our customers get the most out of their FlexSeries. We're here for you every step of the way. Welcome to a new world of shaving. Get ready to feel the smoothness and see why so many people swear by their FlexSeries. Let's make every shave count.